Hello my crafty friends, it's Erica, Scrapdivatwentynine. Welcome back to my channel. I am coming out today with a Dollar Tree haul. I finally found a good Dollar Tree again. I was traveling with my baseball sons and found a good Dollar Tree an hour away from my house, and I was able to pick up a few goodies. I wish Dollar Trees were all created equally, but unfortunately they're not. But anyway, I was on the hunt for these adorable macaroons trinket boxes. I had seen several people posting them on Instagram, and so I was lucky to find 3. I bought the last 3 at the Dollar Tree that I went to. They are absolutely adorable. They're slightly larger than the ones from Hobby Lobby, and they have a really cute little heart right there, and they just pop open like that. And they're $1 and they're super cute, you guys. So if you can find them, grab them. I picked up this blue one as well. Really pretty. And I was hoping to find some more. I got this one as well. This is like a darker pink. I did want to let you guys know, if you are looking for a certain item at Dollar Tree and you can't find it, you can go to Dollar Tree online and actually order what you're looking for. But the catch is that you have to order like a case of whatever it is. So when I went online to find these, they have them online to order, and you can have them ordered directly to your store, and it's free shipping, but you have to order this. In this particular case, it's a case of 24. So you'd have to, spend $24 to get these, and then you'd have 24 macaroons. So anyway, that is an option, and I didn't even know that you could do that. Do I want 24 of these? Not really, but it's okay. So anyway, that's a fun find right there. So hopefully you guys can find those. They're super cute. I did get a few of these graduation cups, and I got the pink, the black, and I also got a white one, and I figured I would probably be doing some type of graduation gifts for someone, since the school year is ending. So I went ahead and picked up some of these for graduation gifts. You can stick stuff in the cup. It's, a good size cup. So pick that up. I was able to find these super cute ballpoint pens, and I figured this would be fun for traveler's notebooks or for Happy Mail. And I picked up 2 of those. I did find some stickers. I got this one. It says Girl Power, and I really like the lipstick sticker and the lips. I thought those were cute. I did pick up 2 of these, and they just reminded me of like unicorn, bright colors, these little enamel sticky dots. So I picked up those. Super cute. And then I did pick up one of the larger version, and they have, they look like, they're kind of like glittery. I don't know. They're super pretty. So pick those up. I was really excited to find this little sheet right here, and they're repositionable Hello Kitty stickers. And I just thought they were so super cute. I love Hello Kitty, and I just thought these were so adorable. So I picked that up. And then this right here is a super fun find, you guys. I found 3 of these, and these are glitter paper, and it has an adhesive back. So I was really excited to find these. I got 3 packs. This one has pink, gold, and like orange in it. And then this one has purple, green, and blue. And then I picked up this one, and it has pink, orange, and gold. So this is an awesome find for $1, and it's self-adhesive. Yes, run that through your die cut machine, and that's awesome. I did pick up 2 of these super cute little keychains, and this like sequence thing is like really popular. I remember buying some pillows for Christmas like this, and my kids would just play with it and like write their initials and stuff. But it is a keychain, and I figured I could use this in Happy Mail or attach it to some packaging. So I bought the red one, and then I got this green one. I just thought this was really pretty. It's fuzzy on the back, and then it's silver on this side and green on that side. So really pretty. And then the last thing that I picked up from Dollar Tree is this super fun pen. And again, I just thought it was really cute. I always like picking up stuff like this. It's just fun to stick in your pencil holder. So I might keep this one. I don't know. Anyway, I hope you guys had a great weekend. I'm looking forward to sharing with you new projects this week. Thanks for stopping by. Leave a comment, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye for now.